Hi and welcome to Next Trains. This parcel arrived today and I'm eager to see what's inside as much as you all are. Do share and subscribe Next Trains if you haven't yet. There are some, let's see. So there are some 2 or 3 boxes. I'll be unboxing each of them. So make sure you do hit the bell icon so whenever I take out each of the boxes or unbox each of them, you will get a notification. Do consider subscribing Next Trains if you haven't yet. So let's pick up just randomly one of them. Let me see. There's some cover here. What's there? Okay, so these are some bits of track which is there. That's great to have that. And so in the next coming days I'll be opening up the bigger boxes. So make sure you do subscribe and share with those who like model trains and real trains. Thank you very much. Let me see what track bits they are exactly. I'll just take them out for you. So there are some nice couplings and 2 bits of point tracks, and it's great to add it to the collection. So do stay tuned. I'll be opening up these boxes in the coming videos.